gentlemen, welcome to Toby's annual meeting 2024.
You are the one who decide how far away you can go, how much high level you can get. Here I'm very honored to stand here to be with the most successful warehouse team, the most successful helping assistants, and the most successful salesmen and the accountants.
Step by step. Okay, from what I'm talking, you understand why we need together for future, step by step. I hate quick money. In these years, when the situation is going to be very good, our products are already strong. Our team already strong. Suppliers also strong. We get our name from China. Also, okay, they are really working very hard.